Hello, my dear student. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and doing great at your home. This is your subject teacher of English from LPM Public School situated at Golabachar, Gorakhpur. Student, today we are going to learn poem. So, for that you all take out your English reader book and open page number 23. Okay, student. So, in page number 23 there is a poem. The name of this poem is Miss Polly. What the name of this poem? Miss Polly. Okay, so the spelling of Miss Polly is M-I-S-S Miss P-O-L-L-Y Polly. Miss Polly. So let's start the reading. First of all, we have to read this poem. Okay, and after that I will explain this poem to you. So there is first line. Miss Polly had a dolly. Student, in this poem there is a first line is Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. Student, you have to see that there is a girl whose name was Polly and he had a dolly. So once time her dolly becomes sick. So therefore he called the doctor. Okay. So let's read. First line is Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. So she called for the doctor. She called for the doctor to come quick. Okay. Here is the. So she called for the doctor to come quick. After that, next line, the doctor came. The doctor came with her bag and her hat. And she knocked on the door with a red tat. She looked at the dolly. Then she shook her head and she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. Okay, student. So now let's once again read the poem. So Miss Polly had a dolly. Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick. The doctor came with her bag and her hat and she knocked on the door with a red tat. Okay. She looked at the dolly, then she shook her head. And she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. Okay, student. So, in the first line, you can see in this poem there is a girl called Miss Polly, as every girl has her favorite doll. So, Miss Polly also had a doll. So, Polly also have a one, but Dolly fell sick, and Polly immediately picks up her phone and calls the doctor. When Polly's dolly falls sick, so that time she immediately calls the doctor and she tells the doctor to come quick. So student, here is the word quick. Do you know about the meaning of quick? It means fast. Okay, fastly. She tells the doctor to come quick so that the dolly gets fine as soon as possible. The doctor came with her doctor kit wearing a hat and the doctor had a bag in her hand. Okay, in her hand she carry a bag and she wearing a cap. Okay, hat and bag. So she come with her hat and bag. So that time the doctor came with her bag and her hat and she knocked on the door with a red tat. As the doctor looked at Dolly, she started to shook her head and said to her, put Dolly straight to bed. Okay, student, in this story we have to learn about the Miss Polly and her dolly. Okay, so after that come to the question answer. So before the question answer, one more time let's read again this poem. So here is the Miss Polly had a dolly who was sick. So she called for the doctor to come quick. The doctor came with her bag and her hat, and she shook on the door. She knocked on the door with the rat-tat-tat. She looked at the dolly, then she shook her head, and she said, Miss Polly, put her straight to bed. Okay, so now let's do the exercise of this story. In this poem, there is a exercise A, B, and C. So, student, let's do the exercise of this poem. So, in number 1, you can see there is a exercise A. In exercise A, answer this question. So, there is a first question is, what did Miss Polly have? What did Miss Polly have? So we all know that Miss Polly have a dolly. So we have to write the answer. Miss Polly had a dolly. What is the spelling of dolly? D-O-L-L-Y, dolly. Okay, student. Now come to the next. Next there is a question. Question number 2. Who did Miss Polly call for? So in the poem we have to learn that Miss Polly called for the doctor. So we have to write doctor. What is the spelling of doctor? D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Okay, now third question is, what did the doctor come with? So the doctor come with her bag, B-A-G, bag, and her hat. What is the spelling of hat? H-A-T, hat. Okay, so now come to the next. There is exercise B. In exercise B, read aloud with your teacher. So student, let's read this given words. So in first line, you have read, there is a word P-O-O-K, book, S-O-O-K, hook, L-O-O-K, look, N-O-O-K, nook, T-O-O-K, took. After that, C-O-A-L, call, F-O-A-L, fall, F-O-A-M, form, G-O-A-T, coat, R-O-A-T, road. After that, B-E-A-D, bed, B-E-A-D, bead, B-E-A-T, beat, C-R-E-A-M, cream, N-E-A-T, neat, C-E-A-T, sit. So, like this, you have to read this all given words. Let's again read the given words. So, in number 1, there is a book, hook, look, nook, took, coal, fall, foam, goat, road, bead, beat, cream, knit, sit. Okay, student. So now after that, here is the exercise C. In exercise C, there is a match the name of people with their things. So here are some things, and you have to match with their people that's used by the person. Okay. So in number 1, you can see there is a doctor, and doctor used this. Okay, these things. So we have to match with this thing. And after that, next there is a gardener. So tell me, what does gardener use in these given things? So gardener used this. So we have to match with the correct object. Next is tailor. So tailor used the object. Okay, we have to match with their object. So tailor used this machine. So we have to match with this machine. Okay, next is painter. So painter is used brush. So we have to use painter with brush. Next is farmer. So farmer used this object. So we have to match with given object. Okay, so like this you have to complete this given exercises of this poem, and also you have to learn and write this question answer in your notebook with a good handwriting. Okay, students, and you have also learned poem Miss Polly had a dolly. Miss Polly, there is a girl who had a dolly. One day the dolly became sick, so that time Miss Polly called for the doctor, and the doctor came with her bag and her hat and checked the dolly. Okay, here you can see this is a doctor. This is a dolly, Polly, and Polly had a dolly who was fall sick. Okay, so student, you have to read this poem again and again, and also learn this poem. Okay, so that's it for today. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep practice of your study well. Okay, Thank you.